Hey, what's going on guys, it's me Untitled back with another video guys here. So today in this video I'm showing you guys how to install the latest AOSP extended, the Android Oreo version of the AOSP extended on your Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime. So it's going to work on almost all the versions of Grand Prime, including G530H, G530W, BT, you name it. It's going to work on almost all of the version of the Grand Prime. So let's get started. First of all, you need to check on the description page, the first link which will show you the versions of the Grand Prime that will work on. So once you check, verify that your version of the Grand Prime is supported with this ROM, you can proceed to the next step, which will take you to this XDA page. From here, you need to scroll down to the download page. Here is the downloads. You can see. So from here, you need to pick your appropriate version of the model which your phone is at, which you can easily figure out by going to the settings. Scroll down to the about device, and here it is, about device, and look at your model version. So my model version is G530H. Let me show you. Here it is. It's G530H, and scroll down to see my baseband version, which is the XEU. So for G530H, there's two versions of the baseband, including the XEU and XXU. So my one is XEU. So if your version is either XEU or XXU, then you can proceed. So once you confirm your about your model version and your baseband version, you can proceed. Open up the XDA link again, which is the step 2 link on the description page. You need to open up the download link for your specific device. Mine one is the Fortuna V3G, which is called the XEU variant, and if you're running XXU, then you have to open up Fortuna 3G. This is my first one, my device. And it will take you to the download page, and you can download it up. I already have downloaded it, so we can now proceed to the step 3, which is downloading the Google apps. So open up the third link, which will take you to this Open Gaps page. From here, you need to select ARM and click on 8.1, and from here you have to pick Pico and press the download button to download this. I also downloaded the Google Apps too, so we can proceed to the next step, which is booting to the recovery and doing all kind of stuff that is involved to installing the ROM. So first of all, you need to power off your phone. Let the phone first power off. Now you need to press the power button and the volume up and the home button at the same time to boot to the recovery page. Okay, you can see it's now booting up. So from here, you need to first back up your current ROM which you're running. Backing up is pretty easy. Click on the system, cache, data, and boot. Let me show you which you need to check. Check these four: system, data, cache, and boot. So that if the current installation of the ROM is messed up or anything like that, you can always revert to how you were before. I already have done the backup process too. So we can now move to the formatting all the partitions. Click on wipe. Let me focus. Click on this page, wipe, and click on advanced wipe. Select Dalvik, system, cache, and data. Don't check this. I mean, these are optional. If you want to format your internal storage and micro SD card, you can do that. I don't want to do it. It's up to you if you want to do it or not. I just want to format these four. Remember, these four are pretty much important. You must need to wipe these four partitions. So swipe to format all of them. It's now formatting it. So once it's done, we can now proceed into installing the ROM itself, which is click on back and locate where you downloaded the ROM. Click on install. Scroll down to the locate where you put it your downloaded ROM. Here is my place. Here you go. As you can see, it's extended 5.5. Swipe and it will be installed. It will take somewhere around 30 seconds to a minute. It shouldn't take much time. So here you can see the ROM has been successfully installed. Now we need to install the Google apps to get the many services like Google Services and Play Store. So open up your Google Apps folder. Here's mine one. Open Gaps 8.1. Click on this and click on Swipe. And now it's going to install the Google Apps. So it's going to take a little bit of minute, like one or 2 minutes, and I'll be right back once the installation process is successfully done. So here's our Google Apps successfully installed, so now we can reboot our device. To do that, click on this Reboot System button here. Let me show you. Here is the Reboot System button. Click on this, and now your phone will be rebooted. Okay, you can see our phone is now booting up to this new ROM that have been installed. So now the booting up process may take somewhere around 5 to 10 minutes. It's going to take some time, and I will be right back once the installation once the boot up process is successfully done. So here is AOSP extended ROM successfully booted up. So you can click on Start and do all the setup process here, like putting on your SIM card and connecting to the Wi-Fi. I'll skip that through. You can do it yourself. You must do that in order to get started with your phone. Click on. I'll skip it up. Give it a moment. So this setup process may take somewhere around 1 to 2 minutes to complete. I'll be right back once the setup process is done. Oh wait, never mind, the setup process is already done. So here you go, you can see her ROM has been successfully installed. As you can see, here's the settings page, and scrolling down to show you the phone successfully installed it. Here is the AOSP extended ROM, here is the AOSP extended icon, and the ROM here is the extended version is 5.5. And here you go, the installation process of the AOSP extended ROM has been successfully done. If you want to see more about this ROM and how the ROM is good and all, you can go and check out the another link that I gave you in the description, which is a review of this ROM, which will show you through all of the things that you can do with this ROM all in all. I'll give you the link for that video in the description, which I made. That video shows everything that's working in the ROM or not, including the camera, which is because the camera also works too. Okay, let me show you the camera a little bit. Here you can see the camera works, the Wi-Fi also works. Here you can see the Wi-Fi, it works pretty well. You can see all the Wi-Fi, SSID, and things like that. And so that's all I have to say. If you want to check the ROM itself and how good the ROM performs, you can look in the description box below, which will show you which will take you to the video, which shows you the review of this ROM and all. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and don't forget to share with all of the other Grand Prime owners so that they could install it too. And I will be seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.